Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today your girl has a glitter cold, so excuse me, I'm gonna get through this the best I can. First, we are starting off with these two pieces of foam board that I cut, and they are 18 by 18 inches. And I am going to be attaching 4 pieces of foam board that are 18 by 5 inches. And I am going to be adding glue around the edges to make sure it's secure. I am now going to be adding these pieces of foam board inside, and they are 17 by 4 inches. After the boards are secure, I am going to add on the top piece of foam board that is 18 by 18. And I am sealing the edges using my hot glue. And this is how it should look when it's done. I will now be attaching these pieces of foam board, and they are 18 by 1 inch. And I'll be putting 2 on each side. And after it's done, it should look like this. Next, I'll be taking my Mod Podge and glitter, and I am going around the insides, and I'm covering it. After it was done, I let it dry for 2 hours, and then after, I took the Mod Podge and put one more coat on it so that over time the glitter won't fall off. And the glitter and the layers of Mod Podge makes the box even stronger. So after I'm done with the Mod Podge, I'm going to let it dry once again. And now I'll be using these strips of metallic foam board to cover the sides of the table. After the sides were done, I took a piece of metallic poster board and I added it on top. And as you can see, I made 2 of them and I put the poster board only on one, and I'll be placing a glass mirror on top of the other. I'm going to be using this box for the base of my table, and I'm just using the leftover scraps of foam board and paper that I did not use to fill the inside. After it is filled, I am taping it with my duct tape, and then I am going to take my poster board and put it around the perimeter. And now I'm taking pieces of the metallic poster board and putting a trim around the edges. And now that it's done, I'm going to take my contact cement glue and I am going to cover the box. Then I am going over with my hot glue, and I'll be taking the first box with the metallic top on it and I'll be gluing that down. And then I'll be taking the second box and gluing that the opposite way. After that box is glued on, I am going to add on my glass mirror to the top of the table, and I am just wiping it clean. And here's how it looked when it was all done. I love this table. It is very sturdy. This table could be for your living room or it could be a side table in your bedroom. Either way, it is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, Glitter Babes, and I'll see you next time.